Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, once you got your xenopixel, of course turn it off. You want to do this off. And you're going to take your lightsaber and you're going to unscrew the grip to reveal the core, where the memory card is. Once you get it unscrewed, put your grip to the side. And you're going to find your memory card right here, that little blue chip. That's the memory card. That's what we're going to be working with. And of course you got your battery too. That's important too. Also, make sure your lightsaber is powered off. Don't do this while it's on. So let's turn it off. Alright, so now that it's off, we're going to take out the battery and the chip. Let's take out the battery first. You can do this by pushing it through this little hole right here. And push it out. And then just put it to the side. Do not lose it. And next, we're going to take out the memory card. Treat this like your kyber crystal. The memory card is the heart of your xenopixel. Be very careful when you're taking it out. You don't want to break it. You don't want to get your fingerprints on it because it's delicate. Once you get it taken out, put it somewhere you can see it. You definitely don't want to lose this. Okay, now that we've got both the battery and the memory card out, you're going to put your lightsaber to the side. Alright, next you're going to take that little UBS flash drive that came with your xenopixel. You're going to take that, and that's where you're going to put your memory card in. And don't worry, this works with both Mac and Windows. I have a Mac, so we're going to use my Mac. So once you get your computer, you're going to take your memory card with the chip in it, and you're going to put it in the side wherever you hook it up. And once you do that, you're going to find your File Explorer, or in my case, my Finder, and you're going to find your flash drive. Mine doesn't have a name, so it's no name. That's it right there. Once you open it, you're going to see all these folders, numbered 1 through however many fonts you have. These folders are each individual font. These are the fonts on your lightsaber. Also, this folder down here called Set, leave this alone. We don't need to work with this, and this is the most important folder, so just ignore this one. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to actually download the font. I got my new fonts from Grayscale Fonts, so open up Google or whatever your search engine is and type Grayscale Fonts. Once you type that in, scroll to the bottom. This is their site right here. He makes a whole lot of fonts, and he has a whole lot for free too. There's a whole lot to choose from. You can click his video to hear a preview of how it sounds. I downloaded all of them, but I'm going to show you the one I like the most. Down here, this font called Crispity. Once you find a font you want, you're going to hit the green button that says download, and it's going to take you to a download page. Now this part's important. Whatever kind of lightsaber you have is the folder you should download. If you have a xenopixel, you need to download a xenopixel, the very last one. If you have a Profi neopixel, you need to download the Profi, because a Profi won't work with a xenopixel, and vice versa. So just download the folder that fits your lightsaber. Once you know which one you want, right click and hit download, and go over to the right where you see downloads, click it, and it's going to be right there in your downloads folder. Now you can name it or rename it, whatever you want, because when you download them, they're all going to say xenopixel. So I would name them to know which one is which, so you don't get confused. We're going to call this one Crispity. Once you do that, you're going to drag the new folder to your flash drive. Remember, mine said no name, so that's where we're going to put it, no name. And it'll take a few seconds. Once you do that, you can go to your flash drive. I like to hit list. And scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see your new folder, Crispity. Next, you're going to click the folder, and whatever the previous folder's number was, is the number you're going to rename this one. So that was 53, we're going to call this 54. That way it stays in order. And yeah, you can even open the folder, and you can preview the sounds right here. Okay, and this part's really important. Once you're done with your sound font, you don't want to just take out the flash drive. Just take out the flash drive. You need to right click and you need to hit eject to properly take out the flash drive. So right click and hit eject. Once you do that, then you can take out the flash drive. And then you want to take out your little chip, put it to the side, the most important part of your xenopixel. We're going to take our lightsaber. We're going to put it back in, right there, and the battery. So let's put the chip in. Be very careful. Don't drop it. Don't break it. Just slide it in. Make sure you do this first. Don't put your battery in first, then the chip. After you do that, you grab your battery, pop it back in place. I like to put mine in from the flat bottom, first. Pop it back in place, and then you're ready. Now all you need is the grip to screw it back in and close up your lightsaber. Now power on your lightsaber. Scroll through the different sound fonts, and there you go.